You don't want to work with an agency that is working with all of your competitors. From an industry standpoint, the technology does not change across different subsets of that industry. The functionality doesn't change, the marketing execution doesn't change. Now, what changes is the brand, your message, your value proposition, your services or products.
And obviously the demographic.
And the demographic.
Right.
So when you go to a marketing agency, a development agency, even a PR agency, when you ask, hey, have you done anybody like us, or have you done marketing or development for somebody exactly like us, that question to us actually does not make sense. The reason it doesn't make sense is because you don't want to work with an agency that is working with all of your competitors. Because what's going to happen is there's going to be a conflict of interest there. So this is something that we also tell our prospects and our clients. We have a rule where we don't work within the same region with two different businesses that are direct competitors. However, nowadays, if you look at what Amazon has been doing from an e-commerce standpoint, at least, what Wayfair is doing, what Overstock is doing, what all these medium-sized businesses are doing, you're keyword competitors with a lot of people on Google search and on paid search and on Facebook, on TikTok, with influencers, wherever you're advertising.